slowly and gradually. Why? Why a burger or sandwich should not be served slowly and gradually? Who can say? Who can say? कौन बोल सकता है? देखते हैं.
खाने में मजा नहीं आएगा, जैसे हमने टीवी में देखा कि दोनों हैंड से होल्ड करके खाते हैं.
Yeah, something like this. You hold it like this and then you eat the burger. लेकिन अच्छा, लेकिन सवाल ये है कि क्यों ऐसा क्यों? एक सिंपल सा वर्ड है जो आपको यूज करना है.
Sir, they are served in a quick service restaurant. So naturally,
Okay.
if we take so much time in service,
Right.
it's not going to work.
And that is why this food are known as
finger food
Or fast food.
yeah. बस you hit the topic now. अभी main आपने topic पे hit किया है. That is why
Sir,
it is
fast food.
known as a fast food. अब बटर चिकन थोड़ी फास्ट फूड है क्या? No. अब I mean like there is a you will not expect this. I mean there is a dish something like this. There is something called लाल मांस काठी रोल. ओबरॉय उदय विलास पे जब मैं था, there used to be a dish called लाल मांस काठी रोल. उन्होंने क्या किया? ऐसे गार्लिक नान लिया, उसके ऊपर they add some लाल मांस, they add some rice, make it a roll and you eat like a काठी roll or something. That was really amazing. But naturally बाद में हमें ये समझ में आया कि no, it is not a right thing to do because the beauty of lal mas we can only have when you consume it slowly and nicely and gradually. Okay, so based on the fast food and high consuming food, services are also designed. तो हम इस चैप्टर में जानेंगे सबसे पहले कि what are the different types of service, different limitation and advantages of the service, and then last वाला point सबसे important है, what are the factors to be kept in mind, what are the factors to be kept in mind while designing the service factor. Let's take an example. I am going to serve a fast food restaurant. I'm going to make a fast food restaurant. So fast food restaurant अब मुझे अगर खोलना है तो fast food अगर मुझे serve करना है तो then what are the factors we need to keep in mind? And if I want to open a normal fine dining restaurant, then what are the factors to be kept in mind? Okay, right? जैसे अभी रजनीश ने कहा quick service restaurant QSR like McDonald's, Fasos, and then there is a KFC and all. So what are the factors I need to keep in mind? So चलो पहले आज देखते हैं कि हमारे पास टाइप्स ऑफ सर्विस क्या है. टाइप्स ऑफ सर्विस को क्लासिफाई किया जाता है तीन सेगमेंट. द फर्स्ट सेगमेंट इज गोइंग टू बी योर waiter service. Now what is a waiter service? Waiter service is very simple to look. You will just go and sit on the table, somebody will come and serve to you. सीधी बात, नो बकवास के हिसाब से अगर देखा जाए तो ये है सीधी भाषा में. मैं टेबल में जाके बैठूंगा, मैं कुछ करूंगा भी नहीं, ये सर्वर आएगा मेरे को सर्विस करके जाएगा. हाँ मुझे जरूरत होगी जब, तब आई विल से दैट एक्सक्यूज मी. सो बेस्ड ऑन द वेटर सर्विस देयर आर सम टाइप्स ऑफ सर्विस. देखिए इतने सारे सर्विस क्राइटेरियाज आता है वेटर सर्विस के अंदर. द फर्स्ट वन इज एन इंग्लिश सर्विस, अमेरिकन, फ्रेंच, रशियन, गैरिडो एंड ट्रे सर्विस. ओके, next is a self service. Now in self service we all know that what is a self service. Take a look at this. Here you know you have to go pick your own food and you have to sit and serve. Best example obviously the food like your that we get in cafeteria. I mean also like अगर 5th of April को अगर college open हो गया, if college opens and when you come to the college in the student dining hall, same thing will happen. This is known as a cafeteria service, where a huge dining area where there's a huge buffet will be laid out. You will take your plate and go over there and you will be served. I mean like you have to serve yourself, but there will be chef standing behind like a second year or maybe third years will be standing behind you who will just serve you in a proper way. Okay? And finally there is an assisted service. Now this is you need to understand. Self service का मतलब क्या? खाना है वहां पे लैडल है, उठाओ प्लेट में खाना आपने डाल लो and then you eat your food. Assisted service में क्या होता है? Half of the self service and half of the waiter service. The best example is buffet. Buffet service में क्या होता है? Let's take an example. There is a wide range of food are displayed on the counter and you have to go pick up your own food. That is a self service. And what is assisted service? When you sit on the table, the server will come and they will say, ma'am or sir, can I get you a glass of water? That is known as assisted. And also at the same time, after serving the water, when you finish with the plate, समझ लो आपने चिकन टिक्का खा लिया, अब आप जाओगे मेन कोर्स की तरफ, so that the empty plate will be cleared by the server. So you need to pick up your food, sit on the table, consume your food, leave the plate on the table and just leave. But in case of your self service, it is nothing. There is a food only there. You need to go pick up your food. खाना आपने लिया, टेबल में बैठे, पानी का ग्लास है, वहां से पानी लिया और खुद खा के बैठ गए. And you have to dump your plate to the dishwashing area. Whereas in case of assisted service, this all the job will be done by the waiter and you just need to eat food. आप आइए, खुद का खाना खुद लीजिए एंड खाइए. ये है असिस्टेड सर्विस. सेल्फ सर्विस में देखिए, खाना है, पानी है, सब कुछ है, आपको कंप्लेन करने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा, बट यू विल हैव टू ईट एवरीथिंग. Then is coming the waiter service. Now in the waiter service is what? I will not do anything, I will just sit and eat. मैं खाना खुद लूंगा भी नहीं. Okay? तो सबसे पहले हम जाएंगे वेटर सर्विस में, बिकॉज वेटर सर्विस आर द मोस्ट पर्सनलाइज सर्विस. देखिए, बुफे और सेल्फ सर्विस तो दुनिया के हर कॉर्नर में आपको दिख जाएगा, लेकिन जो ये वेटर सर्विस है ना, दैट इज व्हाट यू नीड टू टॉट, यू शुड लर्न इन द होटल मैनेजमेंट कॉलेजेस एंड एवरीथिंग, बिकॉज यहीं से एक सर्वर की क्लास एंड क्वालिटी आती है. सो यू नीड टू कंसंट्रेट मोर ऑन दिस वेटर सर्विस. So the first one that we have right now is that your waiter service, and in that you're going to have, the first one is going to be an English service, or we will also call it a silver service. Now what is the English service and silver service? Very easy to understand. See, the fact is that silver service is nothing but, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि सोना सर्व होता है या फिर सिल्वर सर्व होता है. इसका मतलब ये कि there is a table layout will be there. ऐसे आपका टेबल यहाँ पे लेआउट होगा. I mean, when you come to the practical class, we'll take a look at all this thing. And once the table has been laid out, it will be served by the waiter. So there is a service gear. You can take a look at this, how this waiter is holding the spoon and fork. Because हम जैसे घर में ऐसे चावल ऐसे ladle में लेके serve करते हैं. The same way in the hotel, there is no ladle, but there is a very delicate style of food which is known as a service gear actually. Okay, इसका नाम है service gear. I will show you when you come to the practical classes. Okay, and nextly there is something called, see that the waiter is serving the food. Now understand one thing, इस type of service burger के लिए अच्छा है या फिर बटर चिकन के लिए अच्छा है? कौन बोल सकता है?
बटर चिकन.
बस ठीक है, फैंटास्टिक. बस ब्यूटीफुल. सो बटर चिकन, बिरयानी, उसके बाद भिंडी अमचूरी, पनीर बटर मसाला, इंडियन फूड, इसके अलावा चाइनीज फूड, फ्राइड राइस एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग, ऑल दिस फूड टू बी सर्व्ड. दिस फूड आर आल्सो नोन एज, दिस सर्विस इज आल्सो नोन एज अ प्लेटर टू प्लेट सर्विस. मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, ये सुनिए और दिमाग में इसको कंट्रोल एज दबा के सेव करके रखिए. दिस इज आल्सो नोन एज अ प्लेटर टू प्लेट सर्विस. इसका मतलब है कि ये देखिए, ये इसका प्लेटर है, ये जो सर्वर का प्लेटर यहाँ पे है, एंड इज सर्विंग द फूड फ्रॉम प्लेटर टू प्लेट, प्लेटर टू प्लेट, प्लेटर टू प्लेट. Okay, so that is why it is known as a platter to plate service and silver service. Any dishes with the gravies and all must be served, like दाल हो गया, जो भी हो गया, इंडियन फूड के लिए सबसे बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है ये. ओके, तो देन बर्गर के लिए फिर क्या होगा? ओके, चलो ठीक है, सोचते हैं फिर. तो पब्लिक ने सोचने के बाद एक नया चीज फिर इन्वेंट किया जिसका नाम था अमेरिकन सर्विस. अमेरिकन सर्विस में इट्स कंप्लीटली प्री-प्लेटेड. प्री-प्लेटेड मतलब देयर इज अ प्लेट एंड एवरीथिंग इज ऑन द टॉप. जस्ट लाइक आवर बेस्ट एग्जांपल विल बी आवर थाली. राजस्थानी थाली या नॉन वेजिटेरियन थाली में क्या होता है? एवरी बोल is in a single plate. Okay, so what will happen here? Guest of the server will come to the food, like the food pickup area. Over there, he will say, "Okay, sir or ma'am, I've already placed the order." Chef को कहेगा, "Chef, I've already placed the order. So can I have my order ready?" So let's take an example. There is a waiter who is from IHM Gwalior. He's picking up the food from a chef which is from also IHM Gwalior. इसके बाद क्या हुआ? ये food यहाँ से pick up करने के बाद he moves to the, hold the food like this and going to, he has picked up all the four food. Now he is moving towards the restaurant. And when he moving towards the restaurant with the seat, this is all pre-prepared, all the roast chicken kind of thing or fish and chips, everything is there. And when he enters inside the restaurant, a surprising thing will happen. Take a look at this. Okay, you know this person, and there is need not to be any introduction. So this is what actually happened, because you can take a look at the picture of Shah Rukh Khan. Now Shah Rukh Khan is also known as a brand ambassador of which country? कौन बोल सकता है?
Dubai.
Dubai.
Dubai, sir.
Yeah. So when Shah Rukh Khan was announced the brand ambassador of Dubai, there was a video was shooted in that, and he was serving in the restaurant like this. This is a photo of JW Marriott Marquis, the tallest hotel on the planet. Okay. So that's the picture. You can take a look. The Shah Rukh Khan is serving the food. Chalo, theek hai. It's a surprising factor. Sometimes hotels does the thing. I remember once upon a time in Trident, in JW Marriott Aero City, KK Menon, the famous actor of the Special Ops, which you have seen in the Hotstar. So KK Menon was served a lunch actually in JW Marriott once in a day. So this is just a surprising move, just to wow the guest actually. Naturally, KK Menon का जो खाना था वो तो free हो ही गया. That's not a different deal. So, but like in one touch of that service will create lots of impact. Okay. So you get it. That is not an important factor. See, Shah Rukh Khan is not an important factor. The factor you need to understand, the food is entirely pre-plated. Guest will place the order like burger or sandwiches, and the food has been picked up by the server right over here, and then it has been served to the restaurant. So you can take a look how the waiter is serving the food. Okay, so entire food is pre-plated. Now, if there is a burger, sandwich is okay, but if there is a butter chicken or biryani or bhindi or paneer की सब्जी, I'm sorry, this is not the right service platform. Okay, दुनिया के maximum जो service standard है, this has to be like this. Every hotel there is a pre-plated or there is a silver service. Okay, so remember one thing: silver service is always a very customized service. It means silver service means every time guest is taken care well. But remember also one thing: silver service require lots of employees, lots of waiter. So to cost factor के लिए pre-plated service is very cost effective. Because here you need not to do anything, just ऐसे plate उठाया और guest के table के ऊपर रख दिया, काम खत्म. But in case of a silver service, ma'am, may I get you something? May I pour some rice? May I pour some dal? All this thing. It's much more well-trained service people you need. So the cost factor के हिसाब से silver service is slightly expensive, where American service is very cheap. In a busy restaurant, people or any restaurant manager always prefer that American service to be followed. Okay, right? Okay. So that's how the factor is. Now, we move to the next slide, which says, oh my God, there is a quiz. चलो देखते हैं. आज का quiz है. Who is the CEO and MD of Taj Hotels and what is the parent company of Taj Hotel? चलिए सब लोग जाग जाइए जो सो गए थे अभी भी माइक ऑफ करके सब लोग प्लीज वेक अप.
Sir,
Yes.
Puneet
Chawla.
It's Puneet Chatwal. So you can take a look at this person. That's the person it is.
Yes, sir.
Puneet Chatwal. And remember one thing, very interesting part is that he's not from any IIM or IIT. He's basically from IIHM Calcutta.
Indian Hotel Company Limited, sir.
Yeah. So this person, Puneet is actually from IIHM, which is International Institute of Hotel Management, Calcutta. So he's a basically hotel management graduate. Okay. And the brand company, the parent company is known as a IHCL, or it is also known as the Indian Hotels Limited. Okay, Hotels Company Limited. This is the name in which the share is the show sold. I mean, like the share market. If you go and you want to buy a Taj Hotel share, people please mute yourself. If you go to share market like Sensex or Nifty and you want to buy a share of Taj Hotel, this is the way you can buy. Its name under the IHCL. Currently, the share price is slightly low because of the COVID-19 and all. But otherwise, one share price of IHCL used to be 800 rupees. एक share का price इतना होता है. Okay, but अभी drastic fall हुआ है. It's around like 120 120 और 111 के आसपास है. ओके, तो चलो ठीक है, मार्केट विल पिक अप नेचुरली. ओके, ठीक है, राइट. सो दैट्स अबाउट दी मिस्टर Chatwal. So now we go to the next slide, which says that, so we have done about the family, we have done about the silver service and pre-credit service. Now let's take an example. अभी क्या हुआ कि 5 तारीख को सारे जो फ्रेंड्स है अपने IHM ग्वालियर के सब लोग आ गए. आप समझ लो अंकिता, मेघा, उसके बाद अपना ये कौन रजनीश, हर्षदी, इन लोगों ने सोचा यार चलो हम इतने सालों बाद ग्वालियर में आए, पहली बार हमने कॉलेज का शक्ल देखा, चलो आज किसी अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट में जाके बैठते हैं और कुछ खाते हैं. सो यू आर इन एक्चुअली, यू नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मूड? इन अ रीयूनियन mood. First time our offline meeting is going to happen. It's a really fantastic day. Let's celebrate this day. So on a weekend you go to a restaurant, quality restaurant हो या फिर किसी अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट में आप लोग गए. अब जब ये रीयूनियन के मूड में हो तो हमेशा पता है ये दिस इज अ साइकोलॉजी ऑफ द गेस्ट. हम जब रीयूनियन के मूड में होते हैं तो हम उठने का हमें तो मन ही नहीं करता है, भले ही आप लोग यंग हो. ऐसा नहीं है कि यू आर वेरी ओल्ड एज पर्सन. मैंने ये ऑब्जर्व किया है, यंग एज पीपल लाइक मिलेनियल्स, यू एंड मी, व्हाट विल डू, विल सिट इन अ प्लेस एंड विल टॉक. ऑनलाइन क्लास में ये होता था, मैं तो माइक ऑफ करके सो जाता था, मैं तो ये करता वो करता. सो ऑल दिस थिंग, कन्वर्सेशन विल स्टार्ट. एंड कन्वर्सेशन जब आपका रनिंग रहेगा, you will never feel to leave the table and chair. लेकिन आप खाओगे कैसे? आपने तो आला कार्ट तो ऑर्डर प्लेस ये कर दिया. तो सर्वर क्या करता है इस टाइम पे? बेसिकली एक सेट मेनू समझ लो. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. अभी मेगा सिंह ने क्या किया कि एक रेस्टोरेंट में फोन करे कहा देखिए हम लोग 10 लोग हैं, हम आपके रेस्टोरेंट में आज शाम को आ रहे हैं अभी, तो आप एक काम कीजिएगा, आप हमारे लिए एक सेट मेनू रेडी कीजिए. उसमें कैवियर होगा, उसमें स्नेल होगा, ऑयस्टर होगा, हमने फ्रेंच क्लासिकल मेनू अभी सीखा है. ओके, उसके बाद देयर वुड बी बिरयानी, देयर विल बी आलू के सब्जी एंड समथिंग. सो ऑलरेडी द सेट मेनू इज रेडी. नाउ व्हाट द सर्वर विल डू, सर्वर ये कहेगा कि यहाँ पे सर्वर को सर्विस करने की जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज नो यू डोंट वांट, आप लोगों को ये मालूम, आप लोग ये नहीं चाहते हो कि कोई भी हमारी इंटरेक्शन को ब्रेकअप करे. हम जब बात कर रहे होंगे 10 लोग एक साथ मिल के बैठ के, सो नोबडी शुड ब्रेक आवर इंटरेक्शन. सो दैट्स द टाइम यू वांट दैट ऑल द फूड टू बी. सो सर्वर क्या करेगा, अभी सारे खाना लेके आके टेबल के ऊपर छोड़ देगा विद अ स्पून. सर आप अपने हिसाब से समझ लो. इस टाइप ऑफ सर्विस को हम कहते हैं फ्रेंच सर्विस, और वी कैन ऑल्सो कॉल इट फैमिली सर्विस. ये देखिए, यू कैन टेक ए लुक एट द पिक्चर हियर. ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? देयर इज अ वेटर, ये जो व्हाइट शर्ट में आपको यहाँ पे एक वेटर दिख रहा है. एंड देन यू टेक ए लुक, द प्लेट, द टेबल इज फुल विद फूड एंड ऑल, वाइन, फूड, बेवरेज एंड एवरीथिंग. ऑल द फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिलीज आर सिटिंग टुगेदर. एंड सर्वर ने क्या किया है, बस खाना रख के टेबल के ऊपर पटक के छोड़ दिया. सर आप अपने हिसाब से समझ लो आपको क्या खाना है, कब नहीं खाना है. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू इंटरैक्ट. हाँ, अगर खाना खत्म हो जाता है देन आई विल कम एंड सर्व यू. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग हैपन एट योर होम. जब आप घर जाते हो, जब दिवाली के टाइम पे आपके रिलेटिव्स सब लोग आते हैं, सो दैट टाइम व्हाट यू डू, you basically cook a food. There is no menu and all. Randomly you cook a food and then you say, मम्मी आप सर्व मत कीजिए, आप खाना लेके सब यहाँ बैठ जाइए. तो मम्मी क्या करता है आपके घर में? चावल का एक कंटेनर, एक राइस का कंटेनर, आई एम सॉरी, चावल का एक कंटेनर, आलू का एक कंटेनर, सब कुछ लेके आपके टेबल के ऊपर रख देते हैं. मम्मी आप सब यहाँ बैठ जाओ, हम सब साथ में मिलके खाएंगे. तो दिस इज नथिंग बट साथ में मिलके खाएंगे. दिस इज फ्रेंच सर्विस is nothing but साथ में मिलके खाएंगे. This is what is actually French service is known as. So there is a word called pension, Pension. पेंशन के बारे में हम सब लोगों को मालूम है कि पेंशन वही होता है कि रिटायरमेंट के बाद हमें एक पेंशन दिया जाता है टू सर्वाइव आवर नेक्स्ट लाइफ एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग. बट in France, pension service is known as a family service. ठीक है? It's a very very important MCQ question which you need to keep in mind. So French service is nothing but a family service where waiter will serve all the food on the table with actual cutlery so that the guests can serve themselves. And also guests don't want any interruption. Sir, may I get some rice? Sir, may I get some this and that and all. This is what to keep in mind. So pre-plated service, सीधा खाना प्लेट के ऊपर रखा और दे दिया, प्लेट सामने रख के छोड़ दिया, मुझे आपके साथ और कोई कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है. Silver service, highly personalized service and a good quality of waiter and experienced waiter you need, where you need to serve rice, chicken, everything individually. All right, chicken. Now we go to the next style, which is slightly more elegant and also expensive. Okay, वो हम अभी वहाँ पे जाएंगे अभी. Hold on. So the next is going to be a tray service. Next is going to be a tray service. A tray service, ये आपको, excuse me people, just a minute. Aman, please quiet yourself. Okay, now we go to the next. So first one is the tray service. Is once again very simple. It's actually found in the room service areas, like in the hotels if you go. Okay, where it's happening that, and tray service is also tray service available in the McDonald's burger or in the KFC chicken and all. So what is happening? The tray is set. Guests, I mean, like you will guests say that I need a pasta and all, that the server will pick up the food. You can see on the second picture में आप देख सकते हो कि सर्वर यहाँ से खाने को पिकअप किया अपने ट्रे के ऊपर. He set everything and then he walks on the corridor. So ये देखिए, ये corridor से the server is going with the food and finally he enters the room like this and then he serves the food to the guest. This is a tray service. Now tray service is widely and commonly applicable in room service, but yes, apart from the room service, if you go to the like McDonald's and KFC, your QSRs, over there you will also get the same feeling of a tray service. Now the fact with the tray service is that tray service has no let's take an example, no personal life. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि you want to enjoy the F&B service of a well-talented waiter, then you will not get that feeling from the tray service. But tray service has got high level of privacy. मतलब आपके सारा खाना अपने tray में डाल दिया and now you go. People remember one thing: do not get confused with the pre-plated service or tray service. Pre-plated service पे क्या हो रहा है कि all the food in one plate, whereas in tray service you can also serve burger and you can also serve butter chicken, rice, roti, and anything. So there is no problem. I mean, there is a slight difference which you need to understand, that the tray service में pre-plated भी हो जाएगा and platter to plate भी हो जाएगा. This is what you need to keep in mind. Okay, right? So that's about the tray service. Oh my God, we got a video. अच्छा, एक video है people. So please wake up and let's see what we got right now. So हमारे पास एक छोटा सा वीडियो है. ये वीडियो को चलो देख ही लेते हैं वीडियो में क्या है आज. Okay. So just hold on. Yeah. So people just hold on for a while. We'll just take a look and what is waiting for us. क्या है आज हमारे वीडियो में, क्या है वीडियो में देख लेते हैं कि fire, practical, and yes, we got. Okay, चलो. Let's see what you have in the video, and if you not get the voice, please let me know. Audio आ रहा है आप लोगों को? Today we're going to see
Yes, sir.
Today we're going to see a video that says in very shortcut, how do we set up a 3 type of major breakfast that we have learned in the theory classes, which is your continental, American, and as well as the full breakfast or English breakfast. A very simple thing. First we have seen that take a look at this table. I believe cameraman is going for this side. You can have a good look. So as you can take a look, this is the chair that we have, and this is our entire cover. Whenever there is a breakfast, we have to understand one simple thing, that it requires lots of condiment. Since it's a continental breakfast, and we have read in the book continental breakfast nothing but tea, coffee, and there is breakfast pastry, which means there will be donut, croissant, pan chocolate, and also there is a toasted bread and butter. So yes, tea coffee is common. So we got teapots and coffee, and there is a creamer milk, and there is a cup, and we also need sugar. Obviously, in the hotel when you go, you get a sugar caddy, and there is a jam and marmalade, which you have already studied in the book, which is known as the preserves. Apart from that, this bread basket is meant only for the breakfast pastry. In that, you're going to have your breakfast rolls and all, like croissant, pain au chocolat, donuts, and there is a brioche and everything. It is served with a butter. The interesting part is that all the food that we have taken look so far are basically our finger food. It means that if I have got a bread roll here, we can just take the bread roll, put some butter, and then we serve it to the guest. So that's the reason there is no cover actually. But yes, since the guest using the hand, you need a napkin and you need a butter knife. That's all you need. Now, if we come to the American breakfast. In the American breakfast, what will happen? It gets slightly elaborated. All things will remain the same, but addition will be pancakes and waffle. So in that case, what will happen? Everything is the same, and like this one, we will remove this and there is a change in cover because I know there is a pancakes and waffles are there. So what we're going to do right now, we will add two more condiments here, which is now as you can take a look, this is my cover again. All will be the same. Instead, we will just add a fork, an all-purpose knife, and there is an epi knife. Okay, and then since we have a pancake and waffle coming in, these two things are very interesting, which you need to keep in mind. It is nothing but we can assume that maple syrup and honey. All right, and now the cover will change. We will have a napkin over there. Now the question comes that why there is a knife and fork? First of all, there is a pancake and waffle, that's the reason, and also there is an eggs to order, which is coming in. Okay, that's the main reason we do it like this. But the rest of the other thing will remain exactly the same. There is no change at all. When we come to the full breakfast, or let's take an example, we come to the that's known as your full breakfast, English breakfast. In that case, also the entire thing will remain the same. Only you can add one glass for the juice. So let's hold on for some time. So as you can take a look now that we have all the things are placed now. Now we are entering into the full breakfast. In the full breakfast, what will happen? Since we don't need a pancakes and waffle, we will remove this one because we don't need a pancake and waffle. So now instead of that, we need a juice because we all know that there's fresh juices out there that can be served. So yes, we got a juice glass over here. No water is added unless if there is an Indian breakfast. Because why do we need a water? Because there is a coffee, tea, and as well as the juice. And remember one thing: whatever the breakfast, if it's an Indian, if it's a continental, or if it's a full breakfast, your basic things will be in place. What are the basic things? You need a cup saucer. You need a tea coffee setup with the milk, and there is a sugar and jam and honey, butter, and this one. Now, if you want to add some eggs, if you want to add some, let's take an example, pancakes and waffle, then things will change and the accompaniment will be added. But otherwise, entire thing will remain the same. It's like if you want to enter any foreign country, you need a passport and visa. Same way in the breakfast cover, if you take a look, in the breakfast cover, Jessica, if you take a look in the lunch time or dinner time, the glass is compulsory for water. Same way, in the breakfast time, cups and saucer and sugar kettle and jam honey is compulsory because without this, a breakfast is incomplete. Okay, right. Thank you very much. We'll see. All right. So that was the just a basic setup. How do you do in case of your setting up a breakfast cover? But yes, I mean, I think so that the purpose is not solved out here because if you do it in a practical mode, we'll understand in a very better way. So chalo theek hai. That is if it has happened, I mean, like we will see to each other on the next, I mean, like by next week. So probably we'll have a clear understanding. Okay, but people, one most important thing which I want to say that I make these videos and all, and I think hardly you take a look on this thing because when I watch the views, it is just only 70 or 80. Okay, तो चलो ठीक है, मैं आपके चैनल, मेरी चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना है, इसलिए मैं आपको एडवर्टाइज भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं अपना विज्ञापन तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, बट यस प्लीज ट्राई टू टेक ए लुक, द मोर यू टेक ए लुक, इसके बाद क्लैरिटी आएगी। ओके राइट, अच्छा ठीक है, हम चलिए टॉपिक पे वापस आ जाते हैं। सो व्हाट यू हैव सीन सो फार इज नथिंग बट you know the English service. I mean, like that is a pre-plated where we serve the burger or pre-plated food, and then we take a look at the factor which is known as a serving of rice and dal, which is to be served in a pre-plated platter to plate form actually. And then lastly that we have got is a family service. When our friends and family encounter and sit together, then we get this kind of style. Okay, now we go to the next one, which says that there is a service style where you require lots of skills again for the server. That's known as your Russian service. Okay, now this is require a very important skills for a waiter. It is not that just you go and serve the plate. जैसे बर्गर एक प्लेट में शेफ ने अच्छी तरह से डेकोरेट करके गार्निश एवरीथिंग लगा के दे दिया, एंड देन यू गो एंड मैम देयर इज अ बर्गर डन। ये तो कोई एमबीए ग्रेजुएट भी कर सकता है, ये तो कोई आईआईटी स्टूडेंट भी कर सकता है। देन व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ होटेलियर एंड आईआईटी ग्रेजुएट? यहां होता है डिफरेंस, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस। अब ये डिफरेंशिएशन शुरू होगा। रशियन सर्विस और साइड बोर्ड सर्विस में क्या फर्क है? लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. What is happening here? So there is a large joint of meat. Let's take an example, roasted leg of pork, which is a large joint of meat ordered by 4 guests. Now the server will come to the table like this, waiter, which you can take a look at the screen, and they will show the food. Ma'am or sir, this is the food for you. Okay, you want me to cut it into separate pieces? They say that yes. Then the server will take this food back to the sideboard or back to the side station, or we will known as a dubbing waiter, and over there they will cut the food according to the choices. And the most interesting part here is that the waiter will not going to use a knife. वेटर यहाँ पे नाइफ यूज नहीं करेगा। वेटर फिर किससे काटेगा? वेटर विल यूज द एपी नाइफ और ऑल पर्पस नाइफ जो खाने के लिए होता है। नाउ अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, कैसा क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए उस सर्वर की। देखो एक बात तो नेचुरल है, छुरी से काट कौन सकता है? एक शेफ ही काट सकता है, राइट? ओके, बट सर्वर अगर नाइफ से काटना शुरू कर दिया तो देन सर्वर और कुक के अंदर कोई डिफरेंस नहीं रहेगा। Because remember one thing, FMB service people are the most diplomatic people on the planet, because they are dealing with the people, and the worst people and the most complicated people on the planet. So FMB service, never try to mess with an FMB service waiter. This is always said in the hotel industry, okay? Because they are the person who directly with the guest, right? तो चलो ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है कि अब क्वेश्चन आता है, सर वो नाइफ से कैसे आप कोई वेटर काट सकता है? देखो अब यहाँ पे एक सवाल आता है, if a food or the roasted leg of that pork is not been able to be divided with a knife, इसका मतलब है the cooking consistency is not good. That is why the server is using that knife of the chef. Okay, so the food has to be cooked such a way. That any waiter can cut the food with a simple knife and fork. After cutting the food with a knife and fork, then the waiter will serve it like this. Take a look at this. इस food को इन्होंने divide किया with the small parts, and now he's serving the food to the guest with the accompaniment all and in a silver side mode. This required really. Hello?
सर फोटोज नहीं दिख रही।
Photos नहीं दिख रहा है? How many of you don't see the photo?
सर दिख रहा है सर।
दिख रहा है
सर।
सर, दिख रहा है सर। नहीं दिख
दिख रहा है सर, दिख रहा है।
प्रॉब्लम होगा मुझको।
अच्छा दिख रहा है, दिख
सर
रहा है, नहीं दिख
मुझको
रहा है।
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगा, इस वजह से दिख नहीं रहा होगा।
हाँ, दैट इज राइट, दैट इज राइट, आई कैन। ठीक है मुस्कान, देखो इफ यू फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम, दिस लेक्चर इज एनीवेज गेटिंग अपलोडेड, तो देयर यू कैन टेक अ लुक। ठीक है, राइट, ओके, थैंक यू निधि फॉर द क्लैरिफिकेशन। All right, now we can take a look that the Russian service is something where the server will cut the food on a sideboard, but this cutting should be done by a knife and fork, which require a very high level of skill. Okay, it's a really I mean like very exotic style of service. The server should be very experienced. मतलब सीधी बात है कि अगर कोई रशियन सर्विस फॉलो करने वाले रेस्टोरेंट है, I mean, it's very hard. I know one. There is a one restaurant in क्या नाम है उसका, मुंबई में एक रेस्टोरेंट है। ओके, मुंबई में एक रेस्टोरेंट है जहां मैंने एक बार देखा था ये फॉलो होता है। एंड यू नो द क्लाइंटल स्टैंडर्ड इज, आई मीन लाइक उस रेस्टोरेंट में अनिल अंबानी, अमिताभ बच्चन एंड ऑल दिस पीपल, लाइक हेवी लेवल ऑफ क्लाइंटल यूज्ड टू कम, एंड द सर्वर ओवर देयर आर मिनिमम ऑफ 5 to 6 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। मतलब मैं आपको ये भी बोल दूं कि वो लोग ओसीएलडी को भी एज अ वेटर रिक्रूट नहीं करते। वो कहते हैं कि ओसीएलडी की बस की बात नहीं है, बिकॉज हेयर you need huge level of experience, not the knowledge. See, I mean like when you cut a food with a knife, generally for first timer like you and me, हम लोगों के साथ क्या होगा, वो खाना आपके प्लेट से बाउंस होके निकल जाएगा। चिकन को जैसे आप नाइफ से काटोगे, वो बाउंस होके आपके प्लेट से निकल के जमीन में आ जाएगा। That's a very embarrassing thing in a 5-star hotel. That's the reason people don't take any risk on this. Okay, that's the Russians. Okay, Rishabh Tiwari has asked us a question that रशियन सर्विस और सिल्वर सर्विस में क्या डिफरेंस है। देखिए ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, एक ही छोटा सा डिफरेंस ये होता है कि वंस अगेन दाल चावल तो रशियन सर्विस में सर्विस नहीं होगा। इट इज जनरली मेंट फॉर द लार्ज जॉइंट ऑफ मीट। सो वंस अगेन रोस्टेड लेग ऑफ लैम, या तो फिर गिगॉट एग्न्यू रोटी, something like a pork preparation where there's a large joint. Okay, roast turkey, Christmas roast turkey, the huge turkey will come on your table and you will say, I want a leg piece, I want a breast piece. So based on that, the server will take the food to the side station and then will cut the food. Okay, but yes, honestly मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, दुनिया के मैक्सिमम रेस्टोरेंट से ये सर्विस जा चुका है, ये अभी है नहीं। But yes, if it is there, it requires really high quality of standard. Okay, now we go to the last part of the waiter service, which is known as a Guridion. यहाँ पे देखो नाम यहाँ पे आ रहा है कि Guridion service, ऐसे आपको सुनने में लग रहा है, but actually it is known as a Gueridon service. It's known as a what? Gueridon. It's Gueridon. Gueridon service. Now Gueridon service is something which is started from the France. आज आप किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में जाओ, you will take a look at the live counter. Live counter conception was actually came from the Gueridon service. So this is how the trolley looks like, and here is a server who is making the food. So people who can say इस type of service में, अब like इस type of live cooking option में आप किस तरह के खाना आप बना सकते हो, कोई एग्जांपल दे सकता है? What is the best food to be made? Like
food.
Sir, Italian food.
Like
Pasta.
Like pasta.
Yes, pasta can be done, noodles can be done, or pani puri.
Sir, sauteing of vegetables.
Yes, that just like you know, you can make pani puri or something over here. Something once again very fast in nature. So if I want to make a pasta, what is going to happen? I need all the mise en place like onion, garlic, and sauce, everything. Guest says that I want a penne Alfredo, and then we will just make the penne Alfredo in front of the guest. Now, understand once again the interesting fact is this food is not cooked by any chef. It is cooked by the waiters again. Once again, very high standard service, but it has got a very heavy health risk. मतलब गेस्ट को वाव करने के लिए उनके सामने आप लाइव खाना पका रहे हो. इट इज गुड इन अ लाइव काउंटर, बट इट्स नॉट गुड इन फ्रंट ऑफ आई मीन लाइक इनसाइड अ रेस्टोरेंट. एंड ऑल्दो द रेस्टोरेंट इज नॉट open air, it's a closed air restaurant. So naturally, there are lots of health, I mean, like there are lots of accident happen. After that, lots of people died. तो उसके बाद लोगों ने सोचा कि चलो ठीक है, let's invent something else. Then the life counter concept came. Now life counter में क्या हो रहा है actually? One side of the restaurant is blocked. Now there is a live counter where you can make a live pancake, live waffle. Then you got a live omelette counter, pasta counter, dosa counter. All this thing will be done. But previously, all this dosa and all, or the pasta and omelette, guests used to order with a server and it is been served. Okay, like in Uday Vilas, when I was there, I used to see the service also. ठीक है, वहाँ पे सर्वर ऑमलेट का लाइव काउंटर हम लोग लगाते थे टेबल के बीचों बीच. You know why? Because समर टाइम, जैसे समझ लो अभी अप्रैल शुरू हो गया, अप्रैल मई जून राजस्थान में इतनी गर्मी होती है कि यू नो द ऑक्यूपेंसी विल गो डाउन 1%, 2%, 5%, इस लेवल में ऑक्यूपेंसी आता है उस टाइम पे. तो एंटायर उदय विलास में उस टाइम पे 2 गेस्ट होता है या तो फिर 3 गेस्ट होता है. तो शेफ्स थिंग, इफ आई वांट टू सेट अप द एंटायर लाइव काउंटर, आई नीड अ पीपल, मुझे एक एम्प्लॉय को वहां पे लगाना होगा. उसके बाद देन आई ऑल्सो नीड अनियन चॉपिंग एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग, एंड देन देयर इज अ लॉट्स ऑफ वेस्टेज. So why to block the entire area? Let's cook the omelette in front of the guest. So that's how the service was done. But only when the restaurant is empty, there is no crowd, that time it used to be followed. But yes, obviously, if you go to Delhi, any restaurant in Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, you will not able to find that. That is so natural. Resort location based, still you can see this thing like Udaipur, Munnar in Kerala, if you go, Coorg in Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, if you go, you will still find this kind of concept. But otherwise, तो big cities जहाँ पे busy operation है वहाँ पे नहीं है. Okay, right? So live cooking in front of the guest as per the guest place the order. So that's how the Giridon service is built. अब लेकिन एक और problem भी है. Let's take an example. It wow the guest. Guest का experience यहाँ पे excellent experience मतलब like पूरा पैसा वसूल जिसको हम कहते हैं, it will actually happen over here in Giridon service. Okay, but the problem is not all the foods can be made. अब अगर किसी ने बोल दिया कि शेफ I want to have a गट्टे का साग, that is not possible. Or somebody says I would like to have a nalli nahari in front of my eyes, वो possible नहीं है. That will be only possible in the back area. So that's the reason all this constraint came. Then this concept has been gone, and now it is reduced to only a simple live counter in a blockade area of a restaurant, like a puri bhaji counter, dosa counter. Okay. So these are all your data service.
Sir, like
Grilled
grilled
item तो या मैं समझ गया. हाँ मैं समझ गया. बारबेक्यू तो और भी डेंजरस है. लाइव कुकिंग में ऐसे 4 टेबलों के सेंटर में लाइव कुकिंग तो बहुत ही डेंजरस है. बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर द बारबेक्यू नीडेड दैट बिग कन्वेक्शन ओवन व्हिच विल नॉट फिट इन दिस टेबल. इस टेबल में ओनली एक छोटा सा रेंज होता है. ओके, 1 सिंगल रेंज एंड 1 सिंगल सिलेंडर, और उसमें आपको एंटायर वो बारबेक्यू वाला जो कन्वेक्शन ओवन है दैट यू नीड. Obviously, it is not going to possible. So barbecues are made in a live counter only. Okay, so this is what the Giridon service, a very important fact of the Giridon service. Now in the examination we can, yes please carry on.
Sizzler होता है?
Can be done. Sizzler still can be done, because sizzler में अगर हम चाहे तो we can do it on a pan, still can be done. I haven't seen sizzler in my eye. Basically मैं उदय विलास में देखा था ये कि guest आया and guest said that okay I need an omelette with a cheese, onion and tomato. That used to be cooked in front of the guest. इसके अलावा मैंने आज तक मेरे आंखों में 7 साल के एक्सपीरियंस पे I have never seen any food apart from omelette or max to max pancake and waffle. After this I haven't seen any kind of food cooked in front of my eyes like this one. Okay. So it was really tension. I mean, like really dangerous. Guests will be wow watching this kind of flambés and fire. But think about this thing. उस server का क्या हालत होता होगा? Okay, and the restaurant once again become very much like smoky and all, and that leads to lots of dangerous factor. And इसलिए ये concept actually India में बिल्कुल बंद हो गया. But आज भी आप अगर रशिया में जाओगे या तो इफ यू गो टू फ्रांस एंड ऑल, यू विल स्टिल फाइंड दिस concept over there, because फ्रांस में क्या होता है, देयर इज ऑल द फ्रेंच रेस्टोरेंट इज बेसिकली नोन एज अ कैफे. नाउ व्हाट इज अ कैफे? अगर आपको याद हो तो मैंने आपको एक बार कहा था कि कैफे इज समथिंग वेयर द रेस्टोरेंट इज एक्चुअली ऑन द फुटपाथ. फुटपाथ में होता है. सीधी भाषा में अगर आपको कैफे देखना है तो यू नीड टू गो टू Kerala or Pondicherry right now, where there is a French people are still living over there, and you can see on the footpath के ऊपर वहाँ पे छोटे-छोटे छतरी है, and there is a table. It's really amazing to see. और on the opposite side there is a Bay of Bengal. Okay, so over there you can have this still kind of facility. ऐसा facility फिर भी वहाँ पे हो सकता है क्योंकि वो open air में है, and there is a less chance of risk. But in the closed air restaurant, I mean that's next to impossible. ठीक है, right? Okay, so that's how the fact is, right? Okay, तो चलो ठीक है. So आज हमने वेटर सर्विस कंप्लीट किया, आज हम यहीं छोड़ देते हैं. And I think Joyce madam is about to start his class, so that's why we have to shut it down. And people, please understand one thing, that इसके बाद we will straight away hit to the self-service department, and then we move forward for the assisted service and all. Check it, right? Okay, so I'll just download the attendance. I've already downloaded. Hope, I pray to God this is going to be our last online class, and I'm really eager to see you all on Monday, and really excited too. Okay, and let's see, with the God grace, everything happens. So far it's looking very good, and I believe we are going to meet with everybody on Monday. ठीक है, right? Okay, तो चलो. Yes, please.
आपने नोट्स नहीं दिए टाइप्स ऑफ सर्विसेज के कल?
Yes, I remember that. I just came to know in the morning.